Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of naturally gluten-free foods that you can enjoy right at home. Whether you're managing celiac disease, gluten sensitivity, or simply exploring gluten-free options, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about fruits and vegetables. These are naturally gluten-free and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporate a colorful variety into your meals to ensure a balanced diet. Think apples, berries, leafy greens, and carrots. The options are endless and delicious. Remember, frozen and canned fruits or vegetables are also safe as long as they don't have added sauces or seasonings containing gluten. Next, let's explore gluten-free grains and legumes. Quinoa, rice, millet, and buckwheat are excellent alternatives to wheat-based products. They're versatile and can be used in salads, soups, and as side dishes. For example, quinoa works beautifully in a fresh summer salad, while rice or millet is perfect for hearty dinner bowls. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are also fantastic sources of protein and fiber, adding both nutrition and flavor to your meals. Remember to rinse canned legumes thoroughly to remove excess salt and any potential contaminants. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are naturally gluten-free and make for great snacks or additions to your recipes. They provide healthy fats, proteins, and essential nutrients. For a quick and wholesome snack, you can roast a handful of nuts with a pinch of salt or add chia seeds to your smoothies for a nutrient boost. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt are generally gluten-free. However, it's important to check labels for any additives or flavorings that might contain gluten. Opt for plain, unflavored varieties to be safe, and always read the ingredient list. Greek yogurt, for example, can be an excellent protein-rich addition to your meals or snacks. When it comes to proteins, fresh meats, poultry, and fish are naturally gluten-free. Be cautious with processed meats like sausages or deli meats, as they may contain gluten containing fillers or seasonings. Choosing unprocessed options and seasoning them yourself ensures you're keeping your meals gluten-free. A perfectly seasoned grilled chicken or pan-seared salmon can be both simple and satisfying. While many whole foods are naturally gluten-free, it's crucial to be vigilant with packaged and processed foods. Always look for gluten-free labels and be aware of cross-contamination risks. For instance, oats are naturally gluten-free, but are often processed in facilities that handle wheat. Purchasing certified gluten-free oats can help mitigate this risk. Additionally, gluten can sometimes hide in unexpected places like sauces, dressings, or even candy, so always double-check labels. Maintaining a gluten-free kitchen involves more than just selecting the right foods. Preventing cross-contamination is key. Use separate utensils, cutting boards, and toasters for gluten-free cooking. Thoroughly clean kitchen surfaces and always wash your hands before preparing food to ensure a safe eating environment. This extra care goes a long way in protecting those with gluten sensitivities. Enhance the flavors of your gluten-free meals with herbs and spices. Most are naturally gluten-free, but it's wise to check for any added fillers or anti-caking agents that may contain gluten. Fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, and rosemary can elevate your dishes while keeping them safe and healthy. For instance, freshly chopped parsley can add brightness to your quinoa salad, or rosemary can enhance the flavors of a roasted chicken. Being an informed consumer is empowering. Always read food labels carefully, and don't hesitate to contact manufacturers if you're unsure about a product's gluten content. Many companies provide detailed information to help you make safe choices. If you're dining out, don't hesitate to ask questions about ingredients and preparation methods to avoid accidental exposure. Embarking on a gluten-free lifestyle can be both enjoyable and rewarding. By focusing on naturally gluten-free foods and staying informed, you can create delicious and nutritious meals at home. Remember, whole foods are your best friends, and vigilance is key to avoiding gluten exposure. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. Happy cooking!